Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought of baking with you guys, and I'm doing some vanilla and bubblegum cake. So here we have flour, and in the flour I've already put baking powder. This is all-purpose flour. Then here we have eggs, 3 eggs. Here we have 1¼ cups of milk. Here we have 1 cup of vegetable oil. Then there we have vanilla essence and bubblegum essence. Then lastly, here we have 2 cups of sugar. So let's start baking.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees if you're using an electric oven. But if you're using a charcoal oven, let it heat further because the heat is going to reduce with time. Next, beat in your sugar and your vegetable oil at high speed for about 5 minutes. Then add in your eggs one after the other and beat for about 2 minutes. Then add in your essence. For this one I put half a teaspoon of bubblegum essence and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then fold in your flour, alternating with the milk. Start with the flour as you alternate with the milk. Ensure that you don't leave any lumps. So as you're folding in the flour, try to remove any lumps. And I forgot to tell you at the beginning, ensure that you sieve your flour as you're preparing your ingredients. baking should take about 45 to 50 minutes depending on your oven. So if you insert a toothpick in your cupcakes, it should come out clean, just as you're seeing me doing here.